Oh,
Yes, Santa.
you are? Oh, I'm so glad. Listen, boys and girls, poor old Santa has a problem with his new car. It won't start. And do you know what else? My onboard computer crashed 3 times.
Oh, no.
And listen to this. My
Broken.
special jingle bell horn is broken, and I don't know what to do. You know, this whole technology thing is not making things any easier. In fact, it seems I'm working harder than ever before. And children, do you know what else?
What?
I miss my reindeer. Dancer, Prancer, Donner, Blitzen, and the whole gang. And I miss Rudolph the most.
Aww.
Hey, I forgot to tell you the good news.
What?
Guess what? Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, and Rita, his wife, had a brand new baby. That's right, baby Rudy.
A baby.
Hey, would you guys like to see him? You would? Well, all right then. Keep your hands in your laps and don't touch him. We wouldn't want to give him any germs. He's still sleeping, so be sure to sit quietly too. I'm sure Rita, his mother, won't mind a bit if we disturb his nap.
Let's go, Santa.
Well, boys and girls, it's time for Santa to go. Oh no, my onboard computer crashed again. I can't believe this. You know what? I'm going to put coal in little Billy Gates' stockings this year.
Poor Billy Gates.
Oh no, now I have to get out and push.
Push?
Excuse me, could you help me get out of my sleigh? Oh, I'm in my car. Oh, thank you so much, thank you. Oh, if I had my reindeer, none of this would be happening. Pushing my car when it's almost Christmas. Well, I guess pushing won't hurt me. I do need to lose a few extra pounds. I don't like this new crazy protein diet. No cookies for poor Santa this year. Oh, push, 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 push.
That's a good place for baby. Wake up, baby. Wake up. Wake up, baby. Oh, he's so cute. Rudy, come on, let's go say hi to my friends. He's got a red nose. Do you guys see his red nose? It doesn't glow yet. Do you know why? Because he's too small. He's just a baby, so it doesn't glow yet. And besides, if it glows, it means he can fly. And he's too small. His nose is what? His nose is growing. He's not Pinocchio. Oh, you said glowing? Boys and girls, that means he can fly. Come on, tell him fly. Wow, let's clap for baby Rudy. He did it. Uh-oh. You guys, he pooped out. No, that means he's tired. He got tired from flying. Poor little guy. That was the first time he ever flew and the first time his nose ever flew. Go. Hey, you know what, boys and girls? I have an idea. Do you think maybe baby Rudy can pull Santa's broken sleigh car? Do you think he's big enough? Okay, I'll go ask Santa. Everyone say good night, baby. winter snap. Can you go night-night? Okay, everyone tell him go night-night. Teddy bear, don't do that. Teddy bear, don't do that. Teddy bear, no. Teddy bear, go to sleep. It's almost Christmas. Hey, no jumping on the bed. Children, tell Teddy bear go to sleep. Close your eyes. Here, I help him. Did he close his eyes? Okay, everyone say night-night. What? No, he's sleeping. You're gonna wake him up.
Well, boys and girls, I thought it over and I had enough of this technology stuff. And I decided to go ahead and let baby Rudy pull my sled. You know, technology may make us crazy, but at least the good things in life, like new babies and families, will always be the same. Well, it's time for Santa to go, but before I do, I've got a question. Raise your hands.
Raise your hands, kids.
How many naughty boys and girls we have out there? Oh, well, how many of you are good?
Santa.
Oh, that's better. Much better. Hey, I feel like singing.
Ooh, you guys, he's gonna sing.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
He's terrible.
May your days be long.
Does he sing good?
Have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Well, boys and girls, it's time for us to say bye-bye.
Say bye.
Come on, Rudy. Pull. Now you've got it. Go, baby Rudy. I sure can't sing, but your daddy Rudolf sure did a nice job teaching you to fly.